What's going on, y'all? Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland, cleanpowerwash.com. Just a tip for you. We had to buy this gigantic radiator hose manifold because the main hose on our box truck, I guess, was hanging loose and decided to rub on a nut and put a hole in it, which is awesome. Fortunately, this manifold thing's only like 75 bucks. And it's a relatively easy swap as long as you have the right piece. We had the wrong piece, so now we're back. But make sure that you do something for yourself, especially if you've got one or more vehicles. Go in and make yourself a little, it's going to be difficult to see. Oops, I don't need to see all the camera system in my house. Make yourself a vehicle Excel sheet. So we have the year, make, model, if there's any Model 2 or whatever or other specification on it. Put the motor size. But the big kicker is the VIN. Having the VIN on there, I went in, told the guy, hey, this is the wrong hose. It doesn't even look like the right one that's supposed to be on there. He punches the VIN in and is able to get me the perfect part right away. No questions on what size is the motor, what size is the bed, none of that stuff. It's the VIN. The VIN is it. So with that, we've got all that information. Other good information to put it down to have on there: how much did you pay for the vehicle? What was the date that you first started using it? What was your starting mileage? You can even put it, end of year mileage, this year, that year, the next year, and all that. We have our policy numbers for the insurance on it. So instead of each time, the guys have an issue on a vehicle, hey man, send me a picture of the registration so we know the exact VIN number so we can get the right details. Because half the time it's like, is it 2006, it's 2004, 2005? Because I've got a 2001, 2004, 2006, a 93, a 2010, and a 2009. Yeah, it's like it's an 09, 05, whatever. But if you've got your VIN, if you've got that information, it makes a lot of this stuff as far as repairs, as far as tracking. When we we are adding a Volkswagen Passat to our estimates to be able to use that to be a little bit more fuel efficient than this F-150. That vehicle's binder policy and everything is in there. So it's no longer a matter of remembering it, it's just pulling it up, do a quick little Google Sheets, save that, share that. That can be public with all your employees so they have it there. If they ever need something, or you can just, hey boss, we're having an issue with the Dodge. Let them know what the VIN number is, let them know whatever other information. It's just good stuff to have, guys. So take a few minutes, and most of this information, if you get your insurance documents, it'll have the VIN, it'll have your policy number, it'll have the the description of your vehicle and all on there. Again, it can be invaluable, and it saved me a bunch of time just answering stupid questions. And unfortunately, the people that picked it up or ordered it last night or whatever just put the wrong number. It was off by like 1 digit, so got the wrong radiator hose. But now I'm back to the shop to go get that fixed so that we can have the box truck back on the road again. See ya.